Welcome student. In this video today we are going to learn fifth chapter, decimal fraction. Firstly, we are going to learn about the place value of decimal fraction. Here that is a decimal point. From the point left side, that is a complete number. That place value we had learned at previous standard, like 2 in unit place, 0 in 10 place, 4 in 100 place, 3 in 1000 place, etc. etc. Then from the point right side, 3 is on 10th place, 4 is on 100th place, 5 is on 1000th place, and 6 is on 10,000th place. Student, from the point right side, all the numbers as not a complete number, that is a decimal fraction, and that is a place value of each digit in fractions upon 10. 4 value is 4 upon 100, 5 value 5 upon 1000, and 6 value is 6 upon 10,000. Decimal fractions means the denominator is 10 or the multiples of 10. Now move on to next point, addition of decimal fraction. In previous standard we had learned about addition of numbers. Today we are going to learn addition of decimal fraction. Let's learn by the first example, 45.123 plus 60.120. Start solving from the last digit. Here 3 and 0 is 3, then 2 plus 2 is 4, then 1 plus 1 is 2. Decimal point write as it is, then 5 plus 0 is 5, and 4 plus 6 is 10. So final answer 105.243. Let's take a next example, 105.1 plus 441.240. Student, always remember, in the addition of decimal fraction, decimal point take the below at the above decimal fraction. Now add the both numbers. Here in the first number 105.1, here is not given the digit, so if not given there any digit, then suppose as a 0. So 0 0 0 0 plus 4 is 4, 1 plus 2 is 3, then point 5 plus 1 is 6, 0 plus 4 is 4, and 4 and 1 is 5. That is easy method for solving addition of decimal fraction. Now move on to next point, subtraction of decimal fraction. First example, 23.601 minus 11.566. Here start from the last digit. 6 is not subtract from the 1. Then go in next digit. There is 0. So we get from 0. Then move on to next digit. Here is 6. Then here remain 5, and this place has take as a 10, but we get from here 1, and 1 here come as a 10, and 10 and 1 is 11, and here remaining is 9. So 11 minus 6, then left 5, and here 9 minus 6 is 3, and 5 minus 5 is 0. Then decimal point is give there. 3 minus 1 is 2, and 2 minus 1 is 1. Next example, 625.501 minus 267.660. Here 1 minus 0 is 1, and here 0 minus 6. So we cannot be subtract 6. Then move on to next number. So from the 5 we get 1, and 1 come here as a 10. So 10 minus 6 is 4. Then remain here 4, and 4, then we cannot be subtract 6 from 4. Then move on to next number. We get 1 from the 5, and here come as a 10. So 10 and 4, that is a 14. 14 minus 6, then remain 8. Here point as it is. Here we get 1, and remain here 4. So we cannot subtract 7 from the 4. Then move on to next number. We get 1 from the 2, and remain here 1. Then 1 come here as a 10, and 10 and 4, that is a 40. Then subtract 7 from 40, remain 7. Here left 1. So 6 is not subtract from 1. Then take a number 1 from the 6, remain here 5, and 1 come here as a 10. So 10 and 1 is 11. Subtract 6 from 11, and remain 5. Then 5 minus 2 is 3. So final answer 357.841. Next point, showing decimal fractions on the number line. Student, here is the number line. Now let's learn how we can show the place of some decimal fractions. Observe here this arrow from the 0, the mark 1 and 2. So this place is 0.2. Now check this place. Before this arrow, complete number is 0, and then mark 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So complete number 0, then point mark is 7. So 0.7. Now find this place of decimal fraction. Before this arrow, complete number is 1. Then next mark 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So decimal fraction of this place is 1.5. Now check this place decimal fraction. Complete number is 3 and then mark 1 and 2. So decimal fraction is 3.2. Now check here. Complete number 6. Then mark 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So this place decimal fraction is 6.5. Now look here. The complete number before this arrow is 8 and then mark 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 8.9. Next point, converting a common fraction into a decimal fraction. Student, we know a common fraction and decimal fraction different. In common fraction, there have multiple or not multiple of 10. But in decimal fraction, there is important the denominator is 10 or a multiple of 10. Let's learn by the example 4 upon 5. So now we convert the denominator is into multiple of 10. So here 5 multiply by 2. If we take a 2 in numerator or a denominator, then the denominator is convert is a multiple of a 10. So always take a same number to this place. Then 4 multiplied 2 is 8 and 5 multiplied 2 is 10. So 4 upon 5 is convert into 8 upon 10. Then this fraction write in decimal form, write 8 and in denominator there is 10. Now always observe the 0 in the denominator. There is 1 0 means 1 digit and then give decimal point and then 0. Next example, 25 upon 200. Here denominator is 200 and 200 is a not multiple of 10. Then now we convert 200 in multiple of 10. So 25 and 200 is multiple with 5. Then we easily convert 200 in multiple of 10. 25 multiply 5 is 125 and 200 multiply 5 is 1000. Then 125 write as it is. Now count the 0, 1, 2, 3. Then 1, 2, 3 and then give decimal point. And here write 0. From the decimal point, the left side, if there is not any one digit, then always give 0. Next point, converting a decimal fraction into a common fraction. We have learned a common fraction convert into decimal fraction. In this segment, we going to learn converting a decimal fraction into a common fraction. Here 0.12 is equal to, here from the decimal point there is 2 digits, so given here 20 means 100. So 12 upon 100. Next, in numerator 125, and from the point there is 2 digit 2 and 5 means 1 and 0 0. Next example 0.023. Here is the number 23. 23 write in numerator place. Then count the 0 from decimal point. Here 1, 2, 3 means give here 30. Next 0.0004. So write number 4 is on numerator place, and in denominator place count the digit 1, 2, 3, 4 means give here 4 0. 1, 2, 3, 4. Next point, multiplication of decimal fraction. Let's learn with the example. 5.2 multiplied by 5 is equal to 5.2 means 52 upon 10 multiplied by 5 means 5 upon 1. Then 52 multiplied by 5 is 260, and 10 multiplied 1 is 10. So write 260 here, and in the denominator place there is 1 0 means left one digit and give decimal point. So final answer 26. This example vertically method 5.2 multiply 5, then 5 multiplied by 2 is 10. Write here 0 and give above 1. Then 5 multiply 5 is 25 and 1 is 26. Then 260, and observe the both number. There is only one number is in decimal fraction, and there is after decimal point is one digit. So left here one digit and give decimal point. Next point is division of decimal fraction. Example 24.5 divided by 2.5. Write this number in fraction form. 245 upon 10 and 25 upon 10. For solving division of decimal fraction, after converting in fraction, write first fraction as it is, and then second fraction is invert. Then 245 multiplied by 10 is 2450, and 10 multiplied by 25 is 250. Now take a number which is completely divided to both numbers. Here we take a number 50. 2450 divided by 50 upon 250 divided by 50. After dividing the fraction 49 upon 5, then 49 divided by 5, and the answer is 9.8.